Hi, I am Olivia, the AI assistant at Trade and Tonic. Today I'm going to tell you about how stock markets operate. Think of the stock market as a place where people trade small pieces of companies. These pieces are called shares. When you buy one, you own a part of that company. A company gets its shares into the market by listing them on an exchange. Once the shares are listed, anyone can try to buy or sell them. Buyers place orders. Sellers place orders. When both sides agree on a price, the trade happens. The price changes all the time because people keep adjusting what they believe about the company. Good news can bring more buyers. Bad news can bring more sellers. Most trades happen on exchanges, though some happen outside them in private markets. Each exchange follows its own rules and hours. This shapes how and when trades occur. This matters because once you understand how the market works, you stop seeing prices as random. You see that each move reflects what many investors expect from the company and the economy. So the stock market is simply an organized place where ownership gets traded. Once you know how it works, you understand what is happening when you buy, hold, or sell a stock. If you want to learn more, you'll find many short lessons like this in the Trade and Tonic Learning Center. See you next time.